Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. As we all know, Christmas and New Year is around the corner. And we elders and kids are equally excited to decorate our homes and want to feel and enjoy the festive vibes. In today's video, I am going to share 2 cute and easy DIY Christmas decors. Christmas decor isn't incomplete without Christmas tree. So let's make together paper Christmas tree, for which we need square green sheet. And now follow the steps and fold as you can watch on the screen. It would be easy to understand the making if you follow the steps along with me. It's quite easy and amazing, even kids can make it easily. Now we need to mark, leaving some space between, and cut with the help of scissors. Do the same on the other part as well. After cutting, we need to fold like this. One thing you should keep in mind that these folds should be in one direction only. Do the same with all layers. Cute Christmas tree is ready now. Now it's time to decorate it. First I am pasting glitter star on top and with some cotton to give the look of snow. To make ornaments, I am cutting flowers with punching machine. You can even use small size mirrors. How cute is this DIY? Now move to our second DIY, which is cardboard antelope, for which we need small pieces of cardboard. Draw the shapes of body, legs and horns on the cardboard. We need 2 pieces of legs. After drawing, we need to cut them with the help of scissors. To fix them together, we need to make cuts, as you can watch in the video also. Now fix all the part together. And adorn it with Christmas bell. Our antelope is ready. To create the scene of Christmas, I spread A3 white sheet on the table, put some cotton here and there, placed the trees and antelopes together, and decorated with Christmas ornaments easily available at any craft store. This is looking quite amazing and giving the feel of mountains. I hope you like the DIYs. Please comment in the section below. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more Christmas decor ideas. Be crafty, stay safe. Bye bye.